The Scrum team includes a product owner, the development team, and a Scrum Master. Scrum teams are self-organizing and cross-functional. Self-organizing teams decide how to best accomplish their work rather than being directed by people outside of the team. Cross-functional teams have all the competencies needed to accomplish the work without depending on non-team members. The team model in Scrum is designed to optimize flexibility, creativity, and productivity. The Scrum team has proven itself to be increasingly effective for all of these uses and any complex work. Scrum teams deliver products iteratively and incrementally, maximizing opportunities for feedback. Incremental deliveries of done products ensure a potentially useful version of a working product is always available. Up next, we'll discuss the product owner's role.